Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this guide I will tell you how to adjust the time zone display in Metatrader 5. So while MT5 doesn't let you manually change the time zone directly, there's an effective workaround. So here's how. So Metatrader 5 uses your broker's server time for chart data, and this cannot be changed manually within the platform itself. However, you can adjust how the time appears using indicators or custom scripts. So you can go to the Market tab in MT5, search for Time Zone Indicator or Time Zone Offset Indicator, install one with positive reviews and drag it onto your chart. In the indicator settings, adjust the time offset to match your desired time zone. After that, once applied, my friends, the indicator will display the adjusted time zone directly on your chart, helping you track market hours based on your preferred time zone. So if you need accurate session times, consider adding a session indicator that highlights key trading hours for different global markets like New York or London. So since MT5 server time can't be changed directly, using a time zone or session indicator is the best solution. Hopefully this helps you out. As you can see, people on certain forums on MT, well, this is not the MT5 official, but anyway, are also saying that you can't change it manually, but we have workarounds that we discussed, and hopefully they help you. Press like, subscribe, see you very soon, guys.